Hi guys, I'm Nayantara Rai reporting for ET Now. New York Stock Exchange. It's the world's largest stock exchange for equities. Is it also getting into cryptos as well as NFTs, non-fungible tokens? Well, there is a filing, a regulatory filing dated February the 10th, which indicates that New York Stock Exchange is certainly open to the idea or is looking at it while it may not have formally made up its mind. So that's really interesting. You can say the world's largest stock exchange trying to stay ahead of the curve, recognizing the times it's in and reacting accordingly. The NYSE in the regulatory filing with the US Patent and Trademark Office said it wants to be a financial exchange for cryptos as well as NFTs. So, it'll help it compete with the likes of an OpenSea, a Rarible. You've got a Coinbase also, for example, which is now looking at a marketplace, right, for NFTs. What has the NYSE been doing so far when it comes to NFTs? So far, it's been minting them, more like memorabilia for companies like DoorDash or even a Spotify, right? Creating a marketplace, totally different ball game over there. But this is all according to, like I said, a filing dated February the 10th, indicating plans for a NYSE-branded cryptocurrency and the marketplace to buy, sell, trade NFTs. Now, there is a statement that has been issued, which has been quoted widely in the global press, and at this juncture, I will read it out. In a statement, the NYSE has said it has no immediate plans to launch cryptocurrency or NFC trading, but regularly considers new products and their impact on our trademarks and protects our intellectual property rights accordingly, unquote. So that's the statement that's been put out by NYSE. So like I said, it's certainly leaving the option open. It's certainly doing the regulatory filings to have that as an option as well. How are experts reading this? Well, I did interview Ray Wong, the founder of Constellation Research, who joined us all the way from Silicon Valley. And he talked about this makes sense. The world's largest stock exchange is seeing a big possibility. It's not saying it will do it, but it wants to have the edge over, let's say, a NASDAQ, the tech-heavy NASDAQ, trying to make sure that it has its foot in the door and kind of has an edge over there, even when you talk about timing. It'll give it the ability to, like, once again, I said, to compete with the likes of an OpenSea or a Rarible or a Coinbase when it comes out also with this NFT marketplace. So far, it's only been minting it like memorabilia, like congratulations on your IPO, congratulations on the run-up, etc. So that's as far as that goes. The immense possibility and potential of this market. If you look at it, NFTs in 2021 turned out to be what? They recorded sales of $25 billion, right? That's only going to go up as NFTs become more popular. So obviously the NASDAQ wants to keep that option open. Ray Wong of Constellation Research, who I interviewed, his firm Constellation has come out with a projection saying that the metaverse economy could be as big as $20 trillion in 2020. So that's the kind of potential that we're talking about. Even the kind of commentary that we've been seeing from everybody. Ideally, most of the exchanges would want to have equities and maybe a crypto, but regulations are certainly going to be a challenge. Let's see what happens with the world's largest stock exchange and its plans.